Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys about two mascara from Dior. So it's the DIORSHOW Mascara Professional Volume, and the other one is the triple volume plumping lash primer. So I got both of these at the Dior counter at Macy's, 15% off. Plus they give me a Dior makeup bag. So this is the two Dior mascara and primer. And what I'm going to tell you about this is that usually you use the primer to give it more volume to you, mascara to make it look more fuller, longer. And what I like of this primer is that you're able to use it before go to bed by themselves, so it will moisturize your lashes and nurture your lashes while you're sleeping. So that is something that you can find in a lot of lashes, in a lot of primers up there for lashes. So that's something exciting. And the other one is the lash volume. They say 3 times longer than usually. The effects when you try under the mascara should be your lashes should look more beautiful, smooth, and strong, especially each day after you apply before the mascara. You're gonna see nice result. And you can, like I said before, you can try every night on its own as a deep conditioner to pamper your lashes. So that is a nice thing. They say that it's test, and when you, the instant effect if applying before the DIORSHOW mascara, 90% of the people show more curls and 38% longer. So that is a good result. I have been using a lot of primer and a lot of mascara, so I really want to see what is the effect of this. And this one is in the number 090, just in case you're interested in, and I think it's new. Yeah, this is the new one. I do have long lashes, so you can maybe notice too much. But let's see with the application of this primer and this mascara how it look. So I have here I'm gonna put it close right now so you guys can see better. And this is the primer. You guys gonna see, I say my right eyes are gonna put just the mascara, and in the left I'm gonna put the mascara with the primer, and we're gonna see the results. I can say that it's very thick, big, but the hair look like very attached together and don't look individual one too big. So, but you can see the brush is big, pretty big. So far you guys can see it have volume, and I like that don't stick together. It made it very long, just very long, lot of volume. Let's keep. Let me point out that I didn't use any lashes core or nothing like that. So this is my natural shape right now. This is the lashes with nothing extra. I haven't done anything extra to the lashes. Actually, by themselves, made it look very natural, long. I like it. So far so good. This is just one time application of the mascara, just the mascara. Now let's go to the left side with the primer first and then with the mascara. I'm gonna try a second application mascara in this size. I'm gonna wait to dry it up a little bit. So now this is like it looks like more like little individual plastic hair, more separate but small, shorter, and the brush is not too big like the mascara brush. So this is the application with the primer first. And now I'm gonna go with the mascara. This one without the primer for me look more natural, like way more natural than this one. This one look longer, look natural too, but together you can see the difference. Not too much, but a little bit, because the hair seem more like together. This one, the hair completely, the lashes completely separate, look longer, but I feel like a little better. Maybe if they both like that, you can see too much the difference. But this is it. I'm gonna try the second application in my right lashes. Wow, they look super long, guys, like super long. Let me try a second time. I don't see too much volume, but I see definitely that made it longer. And so I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. So this is the right lashes. I apply the mascara twice, and this is the left lashes. I apply the primer first and the mascara twice. So you can see the difference. I don't know if you really need a primer. I think the mascara result is pretty good. I really like it. Look very natural, but the fact that the primer can nurse your lashes during the night while you sleep is a big deal, so it's a plus. So you want to consider that, so go for it. But I really like it. Definitely triple the length of your lashes. So thank you for watching this video. This is all for now, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you're interested in one of these products, the primer or the mascara, so you see this is a first impression. It's the first time that I use it, and like I say, I'm very happy just with the mascara by themselves, but being that the primer can nurture your lashes. It's not bad to have it that product is. So enjoy your day. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep watching videos like this, and click in the little bell so you'll be notified every time I post video. I plan to posting video more often. It's gonna be about tutorials, it's gonna be about fashion, hauls, all that stuff, everything, little bit from everything. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.